Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Vision Board Kit is probably one of the most effective and inspiring ways for Black women to manifest their dreams and goals, providing a tangible tool to visualize and achieve their aspirations. And this kit offers a curated collection of high-quality materials, specifically designed to resonate with the unique experiences and perspectives of Black women, empowering them on their journey to success and self-discovery. Number 5. Magnificent 101 Vision Board Kit. This kit provides everything you need to create a powerful vision board to help manifest your dreams. Let's explore what it includes. It features a spacious board designed to promote a harmonious atmosphere. Place it where you'll see it daily for consistent visualization. 9 cards guide you through goal setting and affirmation, using proven psychological techniques. They'll help you clarify your aspirations. These inspiring images evoke positive emotions, stimulating your subconscious to work towards your objectives. They're designed to boost motivation. A unique set of craft supplies adds a personal touch to your board. These help you personalize your vision and keep you focused. This special rock helps shift your focus to positive aspects of your life, breaking negative thought patterns. It's a wonderful addition to your manifestation journey. What we like. It boasts a sizable board and an array of inspirational components, infused with feng shui principles. If you appreciate a holistic approach and desire a visually striking board, this is the perfect choice for you. Its comprehensive kit ensures you have all the tools to create a truly effective vision board, making it ideal for those who want a complete and aesthetically pleasing experience. Number 4. Self-Imagined Vision Board Kit. It's quick and easy to set up. This portable vision board folds down to a compact size, and includes everything you need to get started, including 200 inspiring cards and a helpful guide. It's more than just a vision board, it's a tool for self-discovery. Use the included booklet for self-reflection exercises, gratitude journaling, and planning your next 3 months. It's designed to help you see your strengths and talents. The images and affirmations celebrate Black and Hispanic communities, providing inspiring representation. Customization is easy and mess-free. You can easily swap out cards as your goals change, without needing scissors or glue. It's not just a physical kit, it also has a companion app. Sync your vision board to the app for digital customization and reminders to stay on track. It makes a perfect gift for friends and family. Help them discover their inner strength and achieve their goals, just like Rita Zahara suggested. What we like. This kit stands out with its convenient trifold book format and user-friendly design. If you are looking for a portable and easily customizable vision board, this is the one for you. The accompanying app adds a layer of digital convenience, making it perfect for those who appreciate seamless integration of technology into their goal-setting journey. What people say. This made the process super easy and fun, and within an hour, I had something I could focus on. This definitely had the best board compared to any of them. It stands all by itself on a desk. I loved seeing this had a high focus on diversity, including Black, Asian, men, LGBTQ+. They have a little something for everyone. Number 3. Manifestation Journal for Black Women. Embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and manifestation. This journal is your guide to unlocking abundance and joy. It's specifically tailored to address the unique experiences and aspirations of Black women. Let it be your companion on this journey. Learn and apply effective law of attraction techniques. It will help you to attract wealth, success, and happiness into your life. This journal provides practical exercises and tools to help you manifest your desires. Use it to track your progress and celebrate your wins. It's time to take control of your life and create the reality you've always dreamed of. This journal will empower you to do just that. Nurture your self-love and spirituality. This is a key to unlocking your full potential and manifesting a life filled with abundance. Discover the path to wealth, abundance, success, happiness, and joy. This journal is your key to unlocking limitless possibilities. What we like. This journal is designed to guide you through the process of manifestation using the law of attraction, with a special emphasis on self-love and spirituality. If you are looking for a guided approach to manifestation and prioritize self-reflection, this journal is perfect for you. It combines journaling exercises with the principles of the law of attraction to help you achieve your goals while nurturing your inner self. What people say. This journal has helped me so much. I haven't even gotten halfway through and I'm already seeing my manifestations coming to life. This journal makes you do the work and really think. But it's so fun. I bought all the entire collection and it was worth every penny. I discovered so much about myself, and it helped me form good habit, how to manifest and how to be kind to myself. This journal is definitely worth the money. I love how they have guided activities that you can do within the book, but they also have written activities that you do on a regular piece of paper and reflect on it. I also love how it's geared towards Black women, and the images within the book showcases our beauty and details how powerful we can be when focusing on our strengths and the good the universe can bring. Number 2. Vision Board Clip Art Book. This book is your ultimate tool to create a vision board that reflects your unique journey. It's filled with inspiring images and empowering words to help you manifest your dreams. It contains more than 200 pictures, quotes, and words. You'll find everything you need to personalize your vision board and make it truly your own. It features powerful quotes and affirmations designed to uplift and inspire Black women. Let these words fuel your ambition and guide you toward success. Use it to visualize your goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. It's a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. This book is specifically designed for Black women, offering images and words that resonate with their experiences and aspirations. It's a celebration of Black womanhood and its limitless potential. It's more than just a book, it's a creative outlet. Let your imagination run wild as you design a vision board that inspires you every day. What we like. This clip art book provides an extensive collection of images and quotes specifically tailored for Black women. If you prefer a diverse range of visual elements to represent your aspirations, this is the perfect option. Its focus on representation makes it ideal for those who value inclusivity and seeing themselves reflected in their vision board. What people say. So many options to choose from. Great categories. Covers each category of life and has realistic photos that match our goals. Number 1. Vision Board Clip Art. Need a boost of inspiration? This vision board clip art is designed to help you manifest your dreams. It's perfect for Black women who want to visualize their goals and create a life filled with beauty and success. These aren't just ordinary images. They're carefully selected to resonate with Black women, providing powerful visuals for your vision board. Let them inspire you to reach for your highest potential. Easily cut out the images and arrange them on your vision board. It's a fun and creative way to bring your dreams to life. Watch as your vision board becomes a powerful tool for manifestation. Included with each image are powerful affirmations. These positive statements will reinforce your goals and help you stay focused on achieving them. Speak them aloud and feel the energy shift. Health, love, relationships, success, it's all within your reach. Use this vision board clip art to visualize your ideal life and watch it unfold before your eyes. It's time to manifest your destiny. This vision board clip art is more than just images, it's a tool for empowerment. It's designed to help Black women visualize their goals and create the life they desire. Use it to unlock your full potential. What we like. This clip art features a curated selection of inspiring images designed to help you manifest a life filled with health, love, and success. If you value visual inspiration and want to focus on specific aspects of your life, such as health and beauty, this is the ideal choice. Its targeted imagery makes it perfect for those who want to create a vision board with a clear focus on their well-being and personal growth. What people say. It came on time and had enough good images that I could make a vision board from. This product needs more attention. It is a great variety of photos and quotes for the price. The quality is also great. There are hundreds of useful photos and they're all cute. Paper stock was good, pictures were vibrant. We'll be doing a Women of Color vision board activity for Christmas and thought we would find things to relate to in this book. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.